Si Bebek boleh. Today is our day off, and I'm going to show you something new that I try kayaking. And it was my first time riding kayak, so I was both excited and nervous. Before we started, the instructor taught us how to pedal properly and explain all the safety instructions. After that, we are ready to begin our kayaking adventure. Let's go! This is all for today, and stay tuned for the next video. And also thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.
there.
Did you have photo also?
Yeah.